Good morning, children. I am Kesan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Besan School. In previous class, we have discussed rational numbers. Today also we have to continue the same topic, rational numbers. Exercise 1.2. All of you open exercise 1.2. Once you see question number 8, there are 65 and 1/2 pieces of wood which need to be painted with the blue color. So number of wood pieces, okay, so a number of wood pieces need to be painted. Number of pieces need to be painted, that is equal to 65 and 1/2 pieces. Okay, so these many number of pieces need to be painted. So that's why 65 twos are 130, 130 plus 1, 131/2. So 131/2 pieces. Okay, next. The amount of paint within a bucket is enough for 5 and 3/4 pieces of wood. So number of wood pieces for which the paint is sufficient. Number of wood pieces for which the paint is sufficient. Paint is sufficient. So that is equal to 5 and 3/4. So 5 and 3/4. So 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 3, 23/4. So this is the number of wood pieces need to be painted. This is the number of wood pieces for which the paint is sufficient. That is equal to 23/4. Next, how many buckets of paint are required in all? That means the number of required buckets for buckets of paint. So we have to find number of required buckets of paint. So that is equal to, we have to do division. Okay, so that means 131/2 divided by 23/4. So that is equal to 131/2 into this division. If it will become into this, the fraction 23/4, the reciprocal we have to write, that means 4/23. 23/4 means instead of 23/4, what we have to write? 4/23. Why? Because this division, this divided by, we are writing here into multiplication. So that's why this 23/4, the right hand side fraction, we have to write reciprocal. That means 4/23. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 by 23. 262/23. So division 262, 23 11s are and 253. So that is equal to 11 and 9/23. 11 and 9/23. So this is the required number of buckets of paint. Okay. So what is the conclusion? How many buckets of paint are required in all? That means 11 and 9/23. So 11 and 9 by 23 buckets of paint are required. Okay, so this is the conclusion. This is the eighth sum solution. Next to ninth one and 10th one, you can do it homework. Next to review time. Review time, actually some problems I will explain. So this is one practice exercise only. Actually this exercise review time you have to do your own, but some problems I will explain also. That problems you do it. Okay, children, note down this. See, represent the following on number line: 1 by 15, 3 by 15, minus 2 by 15, and minus 4 by 15. So these are we have to represent on number line. Just we have to draw one straight line. Okay, next this is 0, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15. Okay, like 4 by 15, 5 by 15, 6 by 15, 7 by 15, 8 by 15, 9 by 15, 10 by 15, 11 by 15, 12 by 15, 13 by 15, 14 by 15, 15 by 15, that is equal to 1. So that's why 0 to 1 unit, it is divided into, this 1 unit it is divided into 15 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Next, this third part indicates 3 by 15. Next, minus 1 by 15, minus 2 by 15, minus 3 by 15, minus 2 by 15, minus 3 by 15, minus 4 by 15, minus 5 by 15, minus 6 by 15, minus 7 by 15, minus 8 by 15, minus 9 by 15, minus 10 by 15, minus 11 by 15, minus 12 by 15, minus 13 by 15, minus 14 by 15, minus 15 by 15, that is equal to minus 1. See, minus 15 by 15, that is equal to minus 1. This is 15 by 15, that is equal to 1. So towards the right, 0 to 1, this 1 unit it is divided into 15 equal parts. Like this, towards the left, 0 to minus 1, this 1 unit it is divided into 15 equal parts. So this is indicates minus 2 by 15, next this is minus 4 by 15, okay. So this is the way we have to represent. So 1 by 15, this is 1 by 15. Okay. Next, compare the following rational numbers. How to compare the rational numbers? See, compare rational numbers 3 by 4 and 6 by 7. So actually many we have did like this problem 3 by 4 and 6 by 7. So what we have to take LCM of 4 and 7. So LCM of 4 and 7. So that is equal to 4 7 ja 28. Why? Because there is no common factor other than 1. That's why directly we should multiply 4 7 ja 28 is the LCM. So 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into multiply with 7 by 7. So 3 7 ja 21, 4 7 ja 28. So 6 by 7 is equal to 6 by 7 into 4 by 4. Why? Because 7 4 is 28, that's why numerator also it multiply with 4. 6 4 is 24, 7 4 is 28. We know that 21 by 28 is less than 24 by 28. That's why 3 by 4 is less than 6 by 7. Okay, this is the way we have to do this. Next. Everything I am sending PDF also. Just once you observe what I am explaining. Children, note down. Next, third one, simplify the following. A 5 by 9 plus 9 by 8. 9 by 8. So what is the LCM? So denominators are not same. That's why we have to make it into equal as a denominator. It should be equal. Then only we can compare. Then only we can add. So that's why denominator should be equal. So what is the LCM of 9 and 8? We have to find out LCM of 9 and 8. So that's why 9 8 is 72. So we have to make it into equal the fractions. So 5 by 9. So that is equal to 5 by 9 into multiply with 8 by 8. 5 8 is 40, 9 8 is 72. 9 by 8 is equal to 9 by 8 into multiply 9 by 9. 9 9 is 81, 8 9 is 72. Now we can compare easily 72, 72 both are denominators same. That's why we can add easily. So 5 by 9 plus 9 by 8 is equal to, instead of 5 by 9 we can write 40 by 72. Instead of 9 by 8 we can write 81 by 72. So that means 40 plus 81 by 72. 1 8 plus 4 12 121 by 72. Okay children. So this is a simplification, third one. Okay, next one more problem. Children, note down this one. L. Randomly I am explaining some problems. 8 by 12. This is not exercise sums. Review sums. 8 by 12 into 7 by 9 plus 11 by 13. Okay. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Like this distributive property also we can use, and directly also we can do this. We will do it directly. 8 by 12 into, so first of all 13 7 ja 91, cross multiplication method better. Okay, 7 13 ja 91, 11 9 ja 99, next to 13 9 ja 117. Okay, so that is equal to, this one simplify, 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 by 3 into 99 plus 100, 100 plus 90, 190 by 117. Okay, next we can't simplify more than this, that's why multiply. 2 190s are 380, 3 117s are 351. So 380 by 351. Okay, next suppose this is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, distributive property. Okay, so we did LHS part. RHS, this is LHS, that is RHS. RHS, that is equal to A into B plus A into C. A 8 by 12 into B 7 by 9 plus 8 by 12 into C 11 by 13. So 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 by 3 into 7 by 9 plus 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 by 3 into 11 by 13. 8 by 12 simplified. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 11s are 22, 3 13s are 39. Okay, next see 27 39 LCM. See 27 39 3 9s are 3 13s are. So 3 into 9 into 13. $351. So that is equal to 351 is the LCM. Okay. So this is 14 into 351. No, 351 is the LCM. So 27. So 13 plus this is 22 into LCM 351. 351 means 9. Okay. So that is equal to 14 into 13. 14 into 13. That is 182. This is 22 into 9. 198. Okay. So that is equal to, see, 14 13 we multiplied there 182. 22 9 that is equal to 198 by 351. So that is equal to 380 by 351. So LHS is equal to RHS and proved. Okay. So then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Distributive law or distributive property, they have been satisfied. Okay. This is the solution for this question. Note down, children. Okay, this is a review time. Next to 4th Roman. See, closure property is not followed by the division. Closure property is not followed by the division in rational numbers. Okay, it is true. Why? Because 0, 2 by 0, which is undefined. So that's why Q not equal 0 only defined. Okay, Q is equal 0 means undefined. That's why it is given what not followed. That's why it is true. The second one, B, this is A. B, associative property is followed by only division. Associative property. Okay, associative property is followed by only division. Okay, it is false. C, distributive property is followed by both multiplication and division. Distributive property is followed by both multiplication and division. So this is false. Next, D. The order of number in addition is not important in rational number. The order of number in addition is not important in rational number. True. Okay. Next, E. Rational numbers cannot be multiplied with 0. It is false statement. Okay. Then some problems I have explained in review time. The remaining problems you can do it your own. Okay, this is the chapter 1 rational numbers. Now we have completed successfully. Next in the second chapter exponents. I will start the chapter exponents. Okay, children. Again we will meet in next class. So what is the homework today? Exercise 1.2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 4 problems you have to do practice. I hope it's very clear, children. Thank you.